Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you 4 hacks that will change the way you clean your sofa. So here we are looking at my sofa before. You can see there are lots of stains and marks and it's generally just in a really bad way, but that's just life with 2 kids and a puppy, hey? For this clean, I'm going to use my handheld steamer, some Vermouche pet hair dissolver, bicarbonate of soda and some white microfibre cloths, as well as white vinegar and some dish soap. The first job on my list is to remove all of the decorative cushions from the sofa and then take the covers off. Honestly, the amount of feathers that came flying out of these was crazy, and so that just gave me another job to do afterwards. Right, now the covers are off, they're going to go into the washing machine, and I'm popping in 1 detergent pod and the Vermouche pet hair dissolver, and then I'm putting this in on a hot wash. The pet hair dissolver is so good for doing what it says on the box, removing pet hair and getting rid of that from your cushions, etc. I absolutely love it and I swear by it at the moment with the puppy running around. Back to the sofa, and my first job is to sprinkle this with bicarbonate of soda and to leave that for 20 minutes. The bicarbonate of soda is brilliant for removing odours, and then after the 20 minutes I'm just going to vacuum this up and then remove the rest of the cushions to vacuum up any crumbs that are left underneath. I always find the process of vacuuming the sofa cushions and underneath them really satisfying, as I always think you just never know what you are going to find. It's a bit like an Aladdin's cave normally. There's lots of little bits and pieces, maybe a couple of like snacks that children didn't want anymore, or a few like little toys that have maybe got lost while they're being cuddled on the sofa. On this day it was a little bit disappointing because there wasn't a lot there, to be honest. Now that's all finished, I'm now going to make my new favourite and natural stain remover using a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 3/4 of a cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of dish soap in a spray bottle. This mixture is so good. You can literally just spray it onto stains and marks, and then you wipe it with a white microfibre cloth to stop kind of any colour transferring onto your sofa. And it literally lifts the stain within seconds and it's completely gone. When I first tried this, I couldn't quite believe my eyes, but now I'm using this all the time for any stains in and around my home. So I just repeated the process of stain removing on any areas that were sort of concerning me on the sofa. There was lots of like little food stains and bits and bobs, and I did this on every cushion, and I can assure you that it did not leave a single kind of like watermark or anything. And my sofa is linen, so this did really surprise me. But yeah, I'm super happy with how all of these cushions turned out. Then the fun part begins. I'm going to use my handheld steamer to completely refresh all of the fabric. Plus, what's not to love about this? You also get a free facial at the same time. The steam is just all in your face. It's lovely. The handheld steamers are so good for doing this, as they have a really high heat, but at the same time they're not causing any damage to the fabric on your sofa. And they also kill germs and any bacteria that might be lurking in there. I absolutely love mine. Not only do I use it for things like this, but I literally use it for cleaning nearly everything in my home, like mattresses. You can even use it on sinks and bathrooms, everywhere. I absolutely love it. I picked mine up at B&M stores, but you can also buy pretty much the exact same one on Amazon. So I will pop a link down in the description for you in case you would like to shop that. Lastly, after everything is dry, I began the process of putting my sofa back together and also gave myself a free therapy session at the same time. I absolutely love whacking my sofa, but also here you can see that the stains that were there at the very beginning have completely gone and it's looking so much better. The cushion covers were all dry, and then to finish it all off, I popped 5 to 10 drops of my favourite essential oil on a cotton pad and popped this inside the cushion covers for a little bit of fragrance. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you would like a full breakdown of the cleaning hacks that I used and any equipment that you may have seen, it will all be linked down in the description box below. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye!